Hello YouTubers, my name is Stephen Melly. Before I create the second video of the Speed Coding Academy series demonstration, this is a video I am creating to tribute to David Connelley and his creation, Speed Coding Academy. For many who may not know, Speed Coding Academy is a site created for those who want to learn how to create websites, web apps, and mobility using speed coding techniques taught here at the Academy. Speed Coding Academy in this day and age, in addition, is for those who want to be the fastest in terms of speed and quality of web development, and apps too. And one of the fun terms we call ourselves are Speed Coding Jedis, being the fastest coders on the planet. So, thanks to David Connelley, I will be well on my way to making some of the highest quality websites with great speed. What a great opportunity this is to have my own development mentor who gave me the boost I needed to succeed in my development goals. The following technologies are examples of what the Academy teaches: HTML, CSS, PHP, MySQL, Advanced PHP, and much more. Let's head over now and see what I got for the course. Okay, here we go. And then here we're at the, this is the welcome to the course video right here. And we also have the, pretty much every day he sends out a message on what he's doing, and he's been, and he even says right here, he's been working very hard, and he does work very hard at creating this new framework that is going to be, in my estimation, one of the fastest frameworks on the planet. In addition to us being the fastest speed coders on the planet. Sorry about that. And we go down. And this is the meat and the bread and butter of the course here. As you can tell, here's module 1, HTML. Again, you're going to need that to have the structure for web pages. Think of it as like the building block of a building. And then CSS would be like the making the building look nice. So now you have a nice looking house. Another one I like to call it is like icing on the cake. The other one is that's at module 2 is CSS. Then module 3 is PHP. This is a server-side technology that is used to make a dynamic, more dynamic web pages. Make your site more interactive. And when you combine this with the next module, which is MySQL, which is dealing with data and raw information and putting that into a nice cohesive form, then these HTML CSS really comes into place, and you'll see how it just builds up and builds up. So right now I'm into the PHP, and I would say I've done MySQL in another course, but it was the old version. I believe it was back when 4 came out, but there's some new things with MySQL that I can do that are really innovative. And then of course this goes on, Advanced PHP for even heavier topics, and it goes even further into module 6 with JavaScript. JavaScript is very big in interactivity and making your sites more interactive, and it just keeps on going on. It goes on to module 7, which is the Launchpad. I'm trying to remember which one. I think this is when, creating, if I'm not mistaken, this is for creating websites, and then how sites are launched and all that kind of stuff. Also, modern PHP, I'm sure it's like about PHP 5, or I'm sorry, not PHP 5. PHP was up to version 7 now, and dealing with things of that nature. And then there's security, Security is a big thing. Websites, to be able to know how to deal with secure websites. Email. Module 10 is email. Dealing with everything that deals with email, including I'm sure like the PHP is involved a lot in email, and other things as well. Frameworks. Dealing with there's quite a bit of frameworks out there, and even he's going to teach you how to create frameworks, and this is like the missing material that I didn't have, that it's like exciting to create, and bear in mind that I recommend having a passion for this, because without a passion, it's not going to be the fuel for what you need. And then of course is the bread of the bread and butter, the warp speed, which is what speed coding is all about. It's being productive, is your workflow, your just the speed coding of speed coding, and everything else is just the butter of bread and butter. That probably didn't come out as so well, but it's the peanut butter and jelly. But anyway, that's the best analogy I can think of. I know it's funny, but I wanted to make this a little entertainment as well. Okay, so I'm going to go to the end now. And just bear with me one moment. So it's my hope that you enjoyed this video, and many more videos about speed coding to come. I'm going to call myself Smitty Vanilli, which is Smitty and Vanilli from my past. Signing off here and saying happy development. Goodbye.